I feel like I was just here at Epcot, the experimental prototype community of tomorrow, and today's weather is that. It's been weird lately here in Central Florida. I will say today there is a breeze, but I have my umbrella with me, no sunglasses because it's overcast, but that's okay. We're doing something new. I got invited by some friends of mine to go to their preview for Test Track. So that's what we're gonna do. Now, let's take a closer look. And I'm super excited about this because I love the last two versions of Test Track. The OG was the best, the kind of crash test dummy vibe it had. But I'm excited to see this new one. All right, I'm in. And it's still overcast. Let's hope that rain holds off. It doesn't matter. We're gonna be inside Test Track anyway. But could you imagine going 65 miles an hour afterwards, getting just crushed in the face by some rain? I'm kind of glad I was here the other day because I saw this special check-in sign over here next to Mission Space, and that's where we got to head. By the way, these are the fellas hanging out with. Got Colin and Sebastian here, and we're doing this, fellas.
Yeah.
We're conquering that track. That's just a test. It's just a test. It smells so new. And here we go. First time in the new, whoa! Here at General Motors, we are creating the future. Jeez. Pretty good. Oh wait, no, they have a flying car over here. Look at that. The Astro 3.
You can see the cars coming through the window.
Oh, you can? Oh yeah, there's the cars up there. There they go. Oh, so it's just one big room like it used to be. Look at this other car. I designed that car last time I was here, I swear. That's how it turned out. It looks like the ones you used to be able to design. I think I've done like the Batmobile before. You could create all the ones if you did it right. But are these real prototypes from General Motors? Wow. This is kind of weird. It's going to be completely slammed in here when people start actually coming in. But for this preview, this is pretty wild. It's like Steve Urkel's car. It's a one-seater. That's incredible. Wow, so this is the second room. So they use the old lightning lane area as the main queue. It's like old Epcot. You learn and you have entertainment. All right, there's inclement weather approaching. We'll see if it passes. There's some video footage of these like little vehicles, and then they have them on display here. We're gonna be waiting a while because the inclement weather, but these vehicles are pretty cool. They're all little electric. That says AI self-driving enabled. Wow. I believe it. They got rid of the little display. Now we just have this box, this little ramp. That's the best car I've ever seen in my life. All right, I'm looking around. I don't see any of the old World of Motion logos in here anymore. Wow, we're getting on the row 2. All right, in the vehicle we go. All right, we're doing the seatbelt check, but look, you can see into the lobby. Still no sign of World of Motion symbols though, but I really didn't see the whole queue. All right, let's check the seatbelts. Whoa, the vehicle talks.
Been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now,
here we go. Woo! Oh man, I'm so excited to see what's up.
We have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
Oh my gosh.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I
Whoa!
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises.
Uh-oh. Here we go. Woo!
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road.
Whoa, look at this corridor. Wow!
Power transfer complete.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Dude,
Smart roads are just
there's a
the
whole
beginning.
house in here.
Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Wow.
Go for it.
Whoa. Hey, there's
First, select a new
the
vehicle.
little smart vehicle.
What about?
Oh, it's like we used to create our own vehicles.
Now let's see how it looks.
Yeah, let's see it. Hey, there's our car.
That looks good with the third row.
Hey, we're the second.
And here's one I think you'll
Oh my
really
gosh, dude, look at that.
Used to this.
Yeah. Cargo fast. Here we go.
Cargo
How about we
pass.
kick back and enjoy the ride.
Sure. It's always fun.
Oh my gosh, we're outside. Yeah. Woo! Wireless charging lane? You can charge your phone.
No way. Overlook. It's gonna be pretty.
Hey, there it is. Oh gosh. Watch for falling rocks. Hey, World of Motion, I saw the sign.
Watch out!
I saw it. Ah!
Right. Our road might have had some twists.
It was on the bridge, the World of
future is
Motion
always
symbol.
Just around the corner.
I found it. Oh my gosh, there's a helicopter. Look at that helicopter.
What else lies?
Oh, here we go! Holy cow, Progress City! Woo! Oh! Oh! Here we go. 65 miles an hour. Holy cow! We did it!
That was fun.
We did it!
Our
Holy
test
mess!
drive might be complete, but just ahead is the vehicle showcase.
Oh,
You can explore
my
the
head
latest
feels weird from
innovations General Motors.
the wind.
Not to
Dude, that Progress City at the
Please
end was
remember to watch your step
amazing.
And take all of your personal belongings with you as you hit the road. You see what I did there?
I think you should just leave the jokes to me.
We did it.
Maybe you're right. Thanks
Wow.
for joining us. See
All right.
you in the future.
I love Test Track 3.0. What a great ride. There it is. And nobody Mike Wazowski'd each other. That's great. Yeah, this is all new. Look at that. It looks like there's like the people mover up there. It's all old Progress City. Hey, there's that helicopter we saw. And let's see if they've got even newer cars on display here as you walk through the exit. It's a nice little showroom floor. That's incredible. General Motors. GM took over. Fixed it up. These are all brand new vehicles, man. This is so good. It looks different. It looks more open in here. Definitely more room in here now, I want to say. Jeez Louise, this is so cool. These are all brand new vehicles that they're offering. There's so much room in here for activities.
Right. Yeah.
Oh look, it's like a self-charging thing. That's cool. A little three-dimensional here for the energy. That's so cool. And no merchandise yet, as of yet. It's cool to see it nonetheless. I know it'll be impressive.
Welcome to the test track.
We've always been dreaming of the road to tomorrow.
And now we set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises.
It's almost like they made this ride before them.
Nicely done.
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated.
It's like a Tim Burton movie.
Power transfer complete.
Dude, I love this.
Smart roads are just the beginning.
It
Imagine
is.
being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle model.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Look, let's try another. Wow, it's good with the third row.
Oh, it's different every time.
And here's one I think you'll really love.
Oh, I could get used to this.
That's great.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
Oh, 82 Mile for 1982. That's cool. Okay, yeah, we gotta look for the bridge. It has the World of Motion logo on it up there. There it is! Ah! So quick.
Watch out!
Oh!
Dude, I got this.
Right. Our road might have had some twists and turns, but the future is always just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward.
The best part.
Finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Let's go!
65 miles an hour! In Mexico.
All right, we successfully did it twice. Now let's head back to the house where we're gonna have a little discussion and talk about my honest thoughts and review on it. Woo, and I'm totally glad I am. That was a good call, because it's raining, y'all. I mean, it's really coming down. Back at the house, and man, it's been raining pretty heavily in Central Florida. So if you're planning on visiting the parks right now, just be mindful that it's summertime. It's gonna rain every day, but lately it's been a little heavier than usual. But Test Track, let's talk about it. This is the third installment of Test Track at Epcot Center, Epcot. The first was kind of like a test track, like the test dummies. You know, they taught you how they did paint jobs and impact and brakes and things like that, kind of how cars work. Part two of that, as a lot of us Disney fanatics, we called it Tron Track. That was like the first thing I ever did, was called Test Track Tron Track, because I was like, it's like Tron but Test Track. This one kind of has its own vibe. It's so cool. General Motors and Disney Imagineering did a standout job on this, and it just, the whole vibe of when you go inside, you feel like you're in like the future of General Motors, and you get to see the cars. And then they took out where you build your car, so that's something new. I did notice that there was single rider, fast pass, and regular standby queue, but I don't know where everybody else goes, because when we were walking through, I only paid attention to the one line we were in. And the second room where they had the other vehicles, the miniature vehicles, is where you used to design your car. They no longer have that. But I will say there's not much of a queue on the inside as there used to be. Like, you don't have any rooms where they hold you for quite some time. The track is basically the same track. I did find a few little hidden nods on the road sign. It was saying Scenic Route 82 for opening year of Epcot. I saw the World of Motion sign. It's so hard to see it. There's a bridge that you go into the tunnel, and above the bridge it has the World of Motion symbol. I'm sure there's so many more secrets and nods and hidden, Easter eggs and things, and that's what we're going to be looking for the more we ride it and the more I look back at this footage and everything. But what a fun day. We were in and out of that place because when we got there, it was raining. Then we went over to Test Track. They made an announcement, said they were going to kind of hold everything for a minute because inclement weather was coming. We rode. They let us ride again. We rode it twice. And then as soon as we went out to the parking lot and I said I was heading home, boom, it just, the bottom fell out. But all in all, I give this an 8 out of 10. It's got a great vibe. The lighting in there is incredible. Before you bust out and go outside for the big 65-mile-an-hour track section, you look like you're in Progress City, and it's just so cool. There's so many surprises in Test Track, but it still has the same vibe. Like, it still has the same feel that we all love and have grown to love about Test Track. Test Track's such a unique attraction in its own right with, coordinating with the General Motors and Disney, and there's no Mickey Mouse in that ride. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's no Disney. This is generally General Motors attraction. Very much reminds me of the World's Fair. It definitely has that Walt vibe. But I hope you all enjoyed this quick episode of going and riding Test Track. I normally don't do episodes like this, but when my friends came calling and they're like, dude, you want to go ride? I was like, yeah, let's go. So shout out to my friends who let me go with them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I had a lot of fun making it. And I hope you enjoyed the new Test Track Disney. Bravo on the new Test Track. I think it's great. I think it's a new, nice addition to that area of the former Future World in Epcot. And I think it's going to fit in very well with the rest of the Disney family. But it is time to say goodbye. And I will see you guys on the next episode where Michael Eisner and I actually talk about what Test Track was supposed to be in the beginning. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.